Today we're unboxing the ID Cooling ZoomFlow 240XT. This is an all-in-one liquid cooler designed to keep your CPU running cool and efficient. So here's the box for it. It has all the key features, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the cooler itself. So here we have it installed with all the main components. Starting with the radiator, it is 240mm and it is excellent for heat dissipation. Now let's move on to the wiring. Included are all the necessary cables for connecting the pump and fans. We have the 3-pin power cable for the pump, the ARGB cables for the lighting synchronization, and the PWM connectors for the fans. They are all really simple and very straightforward to put together. The ZoomFlow 240XT features a ceramic bearing pump for longevity and a copper base for efficient heat transfer. Overall, providing a pretty quiet experience on top of the RGB that is also given, so you have a sense of style as well as function.